Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel. Peter! Very serious. Peter! Boom, 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 boom. The one-handed boom. Boom, 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 boom. Bam! Review stuff. And I am back for another review. And I am really, now I always say this, but I'm very, well, I'm hungry. I'm real hungry. I'm hangry. Well, I'm not hangry. I'm excited and hungry. Excited. I don't know what that would be. Because, you know, angry and hungry is hangry. What would hungry and excited be? Excited? I don't know. But anyway, I'm excited and I'm hungry and I am so ready to eat. So let me tell you a little story. Okay. So for those of you that didn't watch it, I don't know why you wouldn't. I don't know why you wouldn't watch every video on every 7 channels that I have, because it's foolish to miss out on. My videos are so good. My videos are basically, there are like feature film documentaries, okay? Like next year I'm going to be featured at Sundance. Did you not know that? Okay. I mean, they're like, listen, they're low budget, high quality films, okay? They are so good. They are so good. But anyway, the other day I did a film strip. Like we're all sitting on the floor in the library. If you're my age, you totally just got that. Do you remember for like library day? We had library day, okay? If it rained, that meant you didn't go outside for recess. You had library day, okay? That's how much we emphasized reading when I was a kid. The only time you went to the library is if it was raining. No, but we would have library day, and then the librarian, she would like tell us about a book, and then we would watch like a film strip, okay? And it would be like A Wrinkle in Time, Bridge to Terabithia. Some of you out there are like, oh my God, I totally remember this. The Great Gilly Hopkins. What was the other one? The House of the Clock and Its Walls. Now, I know there's a major motion picture, but I'm talking about film strip. And then you'd sit on the floor of the library, and then she'd pull down that screen. Do you remember that screen from the ceiling? You know, the rod. She pulled the screen. Just got real windy out here. She pulled down this. God's loving this. He's like, I remember those days too. Okay, hi God. But anyway, so then the librarian would pull down that screen, and then she'd have the projector, remember, of the film strip, and then the film, you know, and then halfway through the 20-minute film strip, she'd have to change that big thing, you know. But we'd all sit on the floor. We were so excited. But anyway, the other day, that doesn't have anything to do with this review. The other day, I did this film strip, and it was about the new, I don't know how new it was, but the Triple Berry Bliss Chef's Kiss. I didn't really think it was that much, but cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory that my friend Nikki told me about, okay? So, here's the deal. Listen, Linda, here's the deal, okay? So, I told this story the other day, okay? And my friend Nikki, her son was going to his first ever concert ever. It was, damn it, I knew I was doing this video, and I was like, what's his name? Troy? Tyler the entertainer. No, that's what she calls him. Tyler the creator. Tyler the creator. That's who her son was going to see him in concert. She was real nervous about it. I thought it was so cute. But anyway, so she was like chaperoning it. I mean, she wasn't going to it and stuff like that. But anyway, she was dropping he and his 2 friends off. They had like wings and things like that before. But she was real excited because she was going to her mother-in-law's house, because her mother-in-law lives right over there. And her mother-in-law and her sister-in-law were going to watch Real Housewives of Atlanta. And then they were going to order Cheesecake Factory. I told this whole story. Did you not watch my film strip the other day? Why didn't you watch my film strip? Y'all know we're going to get graded on this shit. Listen, I'm the Sterling librarian, okay? I just don't have those glasses on the cord and stuff like that. Keep up, children, keep up. So anyway, Nikki was asking me what she should order that night. And I said, oh my God, because she knows I love the Cheesecake Factory. And I said, you need to get the spinach artichoke dip. You need to get the macaroni and cheese balls that come in like this creamy marinara. Oh God, now that is chef's kiss. And I was telling her about the stuffed mushrooms. I used to get those back then. I don't really get them anymore. But I was telling her about stuff. She goes, I think I'm going to get the 4 cheese pasta. And I thought to myself, why'd you even ask? Why'd you even ask? Okay. I hate when people ask me my opinion and then they say they're going to do something else. Don't ask my opinion, okay? Where's your favorite place to go in Florida? Miami. Oh, I think we're going to go to St. Augustine. Then go the fuck to St. Augustine. That was 25 cents for the custard. I don't care. Go, have fun, okay? Go to Jupiter, Florida. I'm going to cuss again. I don't care. Just don't ask me my opinion. Just tell me where you're going. You want the 4 cheese pasta, Nikki? I call her Susan. When I call her on the phone, I go, hey, Susan. She says, hey, Janet. No, true story. That's how our phone calls go. I say, hey, Susan. Hey, she goes, hey, Janet. We don't even know we don't know how it started. Just one day I started calling her Susan, and she started calling me Janet. We don't know. It just started. Don't you do that with your friends? So anyway, Get the 4-cheese pasta. I love the 4-cheese pasta. It's one of my favorites. If I get pasta, I always get the 4-cheese pasta, okay? But then that got me thinking that night, and I was like, I want the 4-cheese pasta. I was really wanting the 4-cheese pasta, okay? But then, she also told me she got the berry bliss, triple berry bliss. Do you hear my husband in there? He's cooking. By cooking, I mean he's using the air fryer, which I usually call the deep fryer, okay? But it's the air fryer. He just went to the grocery store. He just bought a bunch of pizza rolls and all kinds of stuff. So he's cooking in there in the air fryer. So anyway, now he's using that the quick vac, the shark vacuum thing. I swear by that thing so much. But anyway, that's what you heard in there. So anyway, so in that video that I did about the triple berry bliss, I was like, I told her, I said she likes her favorite, my husband too. Both of them love just plain cheesecake. That is so boring. Girl, get alive, okay? You need to get alive with that plain cheesecake. Somebody commented on my video that day and they said, my favorite's plain cheesecake too. Well, fancy it. You all need to get alive, okay? And maybe step outside and try something a little bit. What the kids say, touch grass. You need to maybe eat cheesecake, okay? The new phrase for 2025, F that touch grass stuff, okay? We're going to say you need to taste the cheesecake, okay? You need to taste the cheesecake. So anyway, there's more flavors to cheesecake than just plain. And you won't know if you like them or not if you don't try them. Try stuff. Try stuff in life. You won't know unless you try it. So I said that my favorite, okay, was the Adams peanut butter. Now I said, if you like peanut butter, I love peanut butter, okay? They have a peanut butter cheesecake. Don't get that one. It's a waste. Don't get it. I think it's more expensive than the Adams. Don't get it. It's a waste. But the Adams peanut butter cheesecake is where it's at, okay? So I was thinking, and I was like, I'm going to order me my favorites inspired by Nikki, okay? Because I dissed her in my last video. I did. But she deserved it. She did, because she... Listen, she can handle it, okay? She's watching this video right now. I just know she's laughing her ass off. Smells like maple. She's the one that came up with that line, smells like maple. Anyway, so this video is dedicated to my good Judy, Nikki, okay? Because I'm going to show her up on what is the best cheesecake at Cheesecake Factory. If you want the best cheesecake, okay? I'm going to show you the best 2 things to get at Cheesecake Factory. Now... I will tell you, the macaroni and cheese balls, which they were out of when I tried to order it, or they would be in this. I think I've reviewed them before. They are literally chef's kiss. So I'm going to show you the 2 best things to get at Cheesecake Factory, okay? Now, I cooked. This is the 4-cheese pasta. Now, I ordered this, I don't know, yesterday or the day before. But I ordered, I don't know when I ordered it. But anyway, I cooked. And what I cook, by cook, I mean is that I put it in the microwave. Okay? A minute was, oh my God, that smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. It does. Okay, a minute wasn't long enough. I had to put it in for 1:45. Okay, so I got that. And then, are you ready? I have napkins! Oh my God, and a fork. But I also have the Adams peanut. I don't know who Adam is. I knew a few Adams, but I don't know who Adam is. The Adams, does anybody know why it's called that? The Adams peanut butter cheesecake. So here, I'm going to do my thumbnail right now. We're going to hope this shit doesn't fall. Oh! Stuff doesn't fall on the floor. I'm going to call it the best things to order from Cheesecake. Minus the macaroni and cheese balls. Okay. So, now, I'm going to save this for my dinner later. It's such a good... I just did this weight loss journey video about how I talked about how I gained 20 pounds. You wonder why? Now, I could not eat this all in one setting. But I will tell you, I'm a little bitter. Okay? Because this is ricotta cheese. Now, they usually put a lot of this ricotta cheese on here. Now, what you want to do first is you want to mix up the ricotta cheese, okay? You want to mix it all around in there. You want to... They usually put a lot more than that. Susan, I'm not happy with this, okay? Lisa, I don't know who made this. Judy, somebody needs to get on that ricotta, girl. You all let me down on the ricotta. There's not a lot of ricotta on there. But you want to get the ricotta all over there, okay? Do you hear me, Tiffany? Tiffany, you want to get all, Brianna, you want to, Brescia? Brescia! Crossover we didn't know we needed for my sister wives video. Brescia and Chiffon, you want to get the ricotta. See, you want to get it all mixed in there, okay? Brescia, wonder what she's doing these days. She's probably looking for a man at the church. None of them sister wives even go to church anymore. Okay, so anyway, I like to eat Cheesecake Factory and watch the sister wives. No, I do. That's what I like to do so much. Okay, so this is the 4-cheese pasta. Now, you can get it with chicken, but I'm a vegetarian. Okay. So here I'm going to show you. It got spinach in it, too. I don't really care for the spinach, but it looks so good. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Nikki or Susan or Tiffany or Brescia, aren't you so jealous of me right now? Oh, my God, it's so good. And it's so good. Oh my God. You know what I didn't bring? Water. People always water. People always ask me to do mukbangs. Should I start doing mukbangs now that I'm off my weight loss journey? Oh, I can already see people now. He's off his weight loss journey now. He's doing mukbangs. Sure am. Baby, life's short. Do something that makes you happy every single day. Every single day. And I'll tell you what makes me happy. 4 cheese pasta. Thank you, Susan, for this recommendation. If it wasn't for my good Judy Nikki, no, true story, I probably wouldn't be doing this review right now, and I wouldn't be in absolute bliss, okay? So be a hater or be in bliss. The choice is yours. I choose to be in bliss. Not triple berry bliss, though. Now, oh, let's get to the cheesecake, shall we? Damn. If Sister Wives was on tonight, there'd be a Jesus. I would be set free, because this is so good. I can't eat it in one setting. This takes me about 3 times to eat this. Okay, so that's called cleaning off the fork. All right, let's clean up as we go. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to put the cover back on here so you can see. So that's all ready for me for later when I get done vlogging so I can eat my dinner. We don't have any shows to watch tonight because we got caught up on Atlanta last night and RuPaul's Drag Race. Okay. So this is the Adams peanut butter pie. No, peanut butter cheesecake. Okay. Now, I don't know if you saw this or not, but there is peanut butter, caramel, Butterfinger. Can you just look at this for a second? If there is a Jesus, that is, I mean, listen. If there is a heaven, this is what they serve every day in heaven, okay? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, they serve this for you. Because you don't have to worry about things like gluten and calories and stuff like that in heaven. You just don't. Heaven is Adam's peanut butter cheesecake. It's the best cheesecake you'll ever have in your entire life. Okay. It's got a big dollop of peanut butter on. Oh, so good. But you save that till the end. I always do, till you get it with the crust. Do you ever like have ways you eat things? Okay, so we're just going to have a little bit. See right here, oh, I just got a little bit of that Butterfinger. So, it's got a Butterfinger. I got a little bit more than I wanted to. Got to dip it in the whipped cream. Okay. It tastes like a Ben & Jerry's Chubby Hubby ice cream and Cheesecake Factory peanut butter cheesecake and a Butterfinger had a baby. It is so good, y'all. It is so good. Oh my God, and so creamy. The Butterfinger is what makes it. I'm telling you right now, I love a Butterfinger. My mom, when I was growing up, for Halloween, she always wanted the 3 Musketeers. I let her have them. Butterfingers are where it's at, and Snicker bars. But mostly Reese's. People say I say Reese's wrong. Listen, if I am saying, they say it's not Reese's, it's Reese's. Or something like that. I don't know her. I don't know Reese's, okay? All I know is that I am 52, almost 53 years old, and I've been calling it Reese's my entire life. If I'm wrong, I don't care, okay? I'm going to keep calling them Reese's. I'm going to keep calling them Reese's till the day I die. If you got a problem with it, maybe this ain't the channel for you. Cheers. So good. Now, I usually save the cheesecake. It's always an order of things, right? I always save the cheesecake. People did get really bent out of shape about that Reese's thing. Oh, why do people always call it Reese's? I don't know. It's an Indiana thing. That's why I always called it Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces. Reese's. I don't like it. Reese's. Whoever cares? Peanut butter and chocolate. But it's where it's at. Reese's all day long. I usually save this till about 2 o'clock in the morning when I'm watching Ghosts. But now I'm caught up on Ghosts. So now I'm watching Long Bright River. I'm going to save this for Long Bright River tonight with a cup of decaf coffee. Oh, so good. So those are my favorite things from Cheesecake Factory. Minus the macaroni and cheese balls. Oh. Now that's the second part of heaven I'll tell you about later. Okay? Can't give all your secrets away. But if there's a heaven, it's this cheesecake and macaroni and cheese balls from Cheesecake Factory. Anyway, let me know what's your favorite thing from any chain restaurant. Put it in the comment section below. I'll try your favorites too. As long as they're vegetarian. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.